Okay, we'll take a look at the storage up here in the front. There's storage under both the front seats. A lot of life jackets, ropes, ski vest. Large one in the middle of the deck. There's a live well in the front and an anchor box up on the very bow. And there's storage in each of these two cabinets underneath the middle of the boat. Lots of cabinetry, lots of space. There's similar space underneath that seat. There's a look down at the back of the well engine. The battery is underneath a small compartment right here. Into the battery. Need to get it open. Underneath there is the battery. And then right over here, I'll get a better look at the switches. Circuit breakers, like I said, everything is working great. All the lights work. They got some lights inside, the court lights, and then they've all the bow lights and the anchor light all work great. All the switches, controls work good. The hour meter does not work correctly. It was replaced under warranty just the last week or two. There's 95 hours on the engine, according to the computer printout, which is there's a photo of it on the ad. But currently the gauge reads that there's an hour and 0.2, but it's really 95 hours.